Yeah. Hello guys, this is Enso Kosa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we'll be unboxing A7S Lilliput monitor. Yes, today we'll be doing that. So without any waste of time, wait. No. Wow. Looking awesome, right? Let's hit the intro. A7S monitor Lilliput is a very nice monitor to have, but I don't really have a monitor with me right now, but let's buy it right now. Let's go. Whew. Okay, the package is here right now. Manual book, I have to read this, but I don't. It's more like a battery plate. I'll show you where it's mounted. And we have, I bought this separately. This is more like a sunshade. It helps you actually to block the sunlight, so you can actually see even during the midday. You can actually see what you're filming. Nice. Okay, the master itself. Okay, what is this? Hot shoe. Empty. Woo! A7S Lilliput monitor. Voila! Woo! Look how crisp it looks. Rubber case, you can take it off if you want, and this is how it actually looks like. It's a battery plate. It actually carries your battery. You just have to mount it here nicely. It fits very nicely. So HDMI ports and headphone jack settings here, buttons, really awesome. Okay, so this is sunshade. So you just gonna place it here. It sticks by itself here, nicely. Okay, looking awesome. Very nice. Which you mount. Just gonna mount it here. Okay, I love this monitor. It looks so much awesome. Just love the body. It's made of plastic, but it looks quite durable. And the shoe mount again. This is not actually. It feels so much cheap. I think maybe I might wanna buy my own one. But this one feels like you can actually get to drop, and you don't want to do that. So let's get straight to the point. Do you actually need this monitor? 100% yes. Number one, it will actually help you to nail your focus, because like there's nothing boring. Will be out shooting only to find out coming home on a desktop, you check on the footage, nothing's in focus. That's really boring. Being able to see what's in focus, what is not in focus, that will be a game changer for me. Number two, exposing. This monitor has a special features like false colors that can actually help you to expose your footage very well. You just have to know how to read that false colors. Let me show you. Oh, flip! I forgot to actually buy the battery. So let me just put on an adapter, and I'm just gonna show you those false colors. Okay. Turning on. Yeah, turning on. So have a menu button here. What you have to do is just turn this wheel actually to make your selections. And what do you have here? False color. I'm just gonna have HDMI from this camera I'm shooting with. Just here we have HDMI 1. This is output, this input. So we're just gonna. Those are our false colors there. They actually, let me remove this. So you can actually see those colors there. They are there for you to actually, you must be able to read these colors, knowing if your footage is underexposed or overexposed. So I don't really know how to read them for now, but as soon as I know, I will just do another video just showing you how you can actually read these colors. This is more like a zebra pattern. So yeah. So another thing I like about this monitor is its size. This is more like 7-inch. So for instance, like shooting like YouTube videos like this, you can actually have your camera like 1 meter away from you, but you can actually see yourself and everything on your background. You can actually see the whole set and the lighting just like that. So this is really awesome. And another thing I like about this monitor, it is price range. This is more about $250, and in South Africa it's about 4,000 rand, and it's actually cheap for all the features that you actually get and its size, and this is more like built for money. So if you want to buy it, I have a link on my descriptions. You can just click on that link and actually get to purchase one for yourself. And that's it for me, guys. If you really like this video, please hit a like button and please turn on the notification button for future videos. And without any waste of time, thank you so much. I love you. Good night, good morning, I don't know. This is it. Bye bye. The last thing I like about this whole unboxing things. Ooh, nice.